Khyati College and School of Nursing was established in the year of 2016, and it was started with the aim to provide a quality of nursing education and to become one of the leading nursing institute in nursing. Khyati College and School of Nursing is recognized from Indian Nursing Council, Gujarat Nursing Council. It is approved from Government of Gujarat and it is affiliated from Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. We offers BSc Nursing program, which is a 4 years program, and General Nursing and Midwifery program, that is GNM, that is 3 years duration program, and which makes an excellent opportunity to become a global nurse. If I talk about nursing and its career opportunities, nurses plays a very vital role in healthcare setting. Nurses are the hand-on health professionals who provide focused and highly personalized care in promotion of health, in prevention of illness, and in rehabilitation process. So there is a huge demand and opportunity for the nurses in India and abroad. Once the student nurse becomes a registered nurse, they can work in clinical health setting as a staff nurse, nursing officers. They can even join central government jobs, state government jobs. They can join military nursing services. They can join the railway nursing services. Even they can work in education sector also as a nursing tutor. And with upgradation of their qualification, they can work as an assistant professor, associate professor and professor. Even they can work in public health sector as a community health nurse, as a school health nurse, as an occupational health nurse. So there is an n number of opportunities are available for the nurses, and we can say that for the nurses, sky is the limit where they want to reach. Quality education through quality faculties and excellent facilities are the important ingredients which makes an outstanding nursing program. And yes, Khyati Foundation is having these ingredients. We have well set up nursing laboratories such as Fundamental of Nursing Laboratory, Maternal and Child Health Nursing Laboratory, Community Health Nursing Laboratory, Nutrition Laboratory, Advanced Skill Laboratory and Anatomy Laboratory, and all these laboratories are well equipped with various equipment, supplies, mannequins and simulators where students do learn and practice about various nursing procedures and skill. Also we have well qualified and experienced teachers, and also we have tie-up with various government and municipal hospitals, community health centers for clinical exposure and clinical training also. At Khyati College and School of Nursing, we provide various activities for the students to acquire knowledge and the technical skills which is needed in the nursing profession. And also we focus and facilitate for the all-round development of the individual nursing students. And we also assure that our students are being trained with the international standards, and for that every year we are conducting an international induction program at Khyati College and School of Nursing with the collaboration with the Central Queensland University, Australia. Yes, I do believe that nursing is a rewarding career and it is a noblest profession which caters professional advancement and the professional growth as well. So let's come and join Khyati Foundation and be a proud nursing students of Khyati College and School of Nursing. And I assure you the journey with us will be pleasant and it will be dynamic teaching and learning process with us.